Good morning. Today we're going to be practicing a Qigong dance. This is called Dancing in the Tears of Kwan Yin. And it's an opportunity to cultivate immeasurable compassion. In this variation, I'll be giving soft, gentle audio cues, but most of the practice will be done in silence. So please get into something comfy and follow along. Start with hands at the heart, connecting to the heart. Fingertips touch the third eye, the forehead, connecting to consciousness. Hands float down to the belly, connecting to the body, to earth. Shift the weight into your left foot. Step out with the right foot. Touch the toes, roll into the heel. The right hand, palm face up, goes across the body. Then follow the thumb across to the right side. Shift the weight into the right foot. Come off the left heel and make half a circle as you draw the left toes to touch the right. Take the left hand, palm face up, and the left foot, and both in an arc over to the left side. And pause, and open up, feeling immeasurable compassion raining upon you. Bring the fingertips in. So we take this compassion that we've cultivated and we embody it. Lift the chest, lift the chin, so we shine this compassion into the world. Fingertips point towards the earth, so we ground this compassion. And then, like nutrients in the water and in the soil, we bloom and lean back like a tall sunflower. And then, just like a sunflower in autumn, our petals fall. And we bear the weight of unbearable compassion. Shift the weight to the left. The hands come up to the right. Offering this compassion to the world. Just as day becomes night, we return to bearing this measurable compassion. Shift the weight to the right, and we open up to the left. Shining compassion to this side of the world. Once again, we return back to bearing this compassion. Bend the knees, hands come down. Now we offer this compassion once more And as we give, so too do we receive. So now we can wash ourselves with waves of compassion. Fingertips keep flowing towards the earth, and then they curl towards you, drawing this up through the body to the heart. We press, send this compassion out into the world. Palms face up. So we draw this compassion into the heart. We hold, but the hands aren't touching the body. Nourishing the heart. This compassionate energy we've cultivated. We connect the heart to the mind. Again, the hands aren't touching. And hands float down to charge up the body, the belly. Bring the right foot in. Now hands touch the belly. Now the hands float back up. Gently touch the forehead. And lastly, the hands float down to remember the heart, to remember who you truly are. Thank you so much for taking the time to practice with me, for showing up for yourself. Look forward to seeing you again soon.